From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a day with lots of clouds out there late this afternoon. That's been holding our temperatures in the 80s. This is the KATC drone cam up in the skies, checking out the cloud cover. Some patches of blue out there and also some darker clouds as well. And that's been dominating late this afternoon. This is all associated with thunderstorm activity that's been offshore, shooting lots of high-level cirrus clouds across the area. Another opportunity to see the space station tonight, but probably not with that high cloud cover. And it's all associated with a series of troughs that extend from the southeast U.S. down into the Gulf of Mexico. There's a little bit of an upper low down here just north of the Yucatan as well. And we have high pressure here that's been kind of dominating across the northern part of the state, allowing for that triple-digit heat that we showed you earlier. But we also have a little bit of a disturbance in that northwest flow aloft that's going to be heading southward tomorrow. And that should give us a much better chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, and maybe some hefty ones as well. That's what we're seeing across portions of Mississippi. Again, that impulse will work its way southward. We'll lose daytime heating, so not much storm activity tonight, but we think things will fire up nicely going into tomorrow. As we examine the regional Doppler radars, a lot of action going on, mainly in Mississippi and offshore. Not that much here in Acadiana, but you can see that severe thunderstorm watch over here. On the lookout for hail and damaging winds, and then offshore some active tropical showers and thunder showers. That's going to continue through tomorrow. Maybe even a few water spouts out there and some gusty winds, so be wary of that. Now, as we take a look at what's happening across Acadiana, most of the activity limited to isolated in nature. We do have one cell that's moving out of Jeff Davis into eastern Calcasieu Parish, pretty much a lot of farm and ranch land out here. A shower diminishing over by Lake Arthur, another small cell by the Jennings area. Then coming into Lafayette, we've seen some light rain coming in from the northeast across portions of St. Landry Parish, a few other spotty showers, maybe some light sprinkly rain out across the basin along and north of I-10 between Breaux Bridge and the Henderson area. And things quiet down this evening. Speaking of quiet, the tropics remain that way. And remember, we were starting the week and going back to last week concerned that we might see some very heavy tropical rainfall, maybe even potential tropical development. Well, that is not happening, but at least we have storms out in the Gulf of Mexico, hopefully cooling off the water a little bit out here. And here's that little bit of an upper level disturbance you can see is creating storms across Arkansas into Mississippi. That's heading southward for us tomorrow. As for rain totals, remember we were talking about the Weather Prediction Center's forecast for 10 to 15 inches of rain earlier this week. Well, now it's down to about 3 to 5, just a system that didn't materialize. And locally, we could see some decent downpours, especially tomorrow. And we'll get to that in just a bit. So here we go. Thursday morning, relatively quiet, but by Thursday mid-morning into the afternoon hours, a good round of showers and storms expected. And some of these storms will not only produce torrential downpours, frequent lightning, but maybe wind gusts in excess of 40 or 45. Can't rule out an isolated severe cell popping up as well. So we'll have to watch that. Storminess over to NOLA as well, but things quiet down into the evening hours. And then as we get into Friday, it looks like a little bit more stable air coming in, with the bulk of the unstable air and the showers and storms staying offshore. So I'm lowering our rain chances Friday down to about 40%. So overnight tonight, 76 the low, warm and humid out there, plenty of clouds, but we got that supermoon out there, that full buck supermoon. We got it out. Then for tomorrow, showers and storms more likely, prime time from mid-morning through the mid-afternoon hours, with locally heavy downpours of a couple of inches. We'll detail the model output on rainfall for tomorrow coming up at 6 p.m. 91 the high. Maybe we stay in the 80s tomorrow. Fingers crossed on that, but rain chances begin to go down going into the weekend, and that means temperatures beginning to go back up. And next week, looking full on July with highs in the mid-90s and your ubiquitous chance of afternoon showers and storms. And the heat goes on, but guess what? We're almost through mid-July.
It's crazy.
And, you know, then you got August, September, maybe a front in sometime in September. So
down those
we're
days.
kind of working our way, trudging our way through this hot summer.
We're managing, Rob,
Right.
as best we can.
Always do.
Managing,
Okay.
right.
Thanks, Rob.